I'm a dad. Show us. Hey.
Good morning everyone, and how are you? Today it is raining, but that's okay because we have a little something special going on today. I've been meaning to do what I'm going to do for quite a while, and like anything in life, if you have an idea and you don't execute, you don't want it hard enough, it just won't happen because nobody does anything for you these days. You got to do it yourself. So I got a bit of a surprise this week. I've got some good content coming your way. What is it? Am I gonna make it a surprise, or am I gonna tell you? I think you're gonna find out soon enough. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because I've got some good content coming for you this week. We got the best. So we haven't filmed anything yet. We'll see, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Pretty sure it's gonna be the best series I've done yet, and that's pretty easy to do because let's face it, most of my series have been pretty shit, but I enjoy it. Get a lot of criticism because we do it differently in some other countries, but I don't care. I love it. I love it. For every one hater, there's 10 lovers. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm just heading home right now. I'm gonna be packing my things because we are going to the airport, and you guys are coming with me. And let's go have some fun this week, alright? Let's do this. This car won't be used for a little while. It will be parked here, safe and sound, undercover for all these storms that are coming. It is rainy and wet here on the east coast of Australia, but that's alright because where are we going? We are flying to Melbourne. Then I'm gonna hire a car. I'm driving inland for 3.5 hours, getting a motel or a hotel. Then on site first thing in the morning, Monday morning, which is tomorrow, so don't miss it. Need one of these, need one of these, definitely need one of these where we're going. It is raining outside. Swamp views. Just getting ready to go to the airport right now. It's raining out. We're going to allow a bit of extra time so we're not late. I don't want to miss this flight. If I miss this flight, I'm going to miss being on site at 7:30 AM tomorrow. So, going to finish up and we're going to head straight to the airport. Let's roll. Alright, we are rolling out. Let's roll it out. We are out of here. Now I'm going to drive myself to the airport, but on the way I'm going to pick up a new memory card for my drone because I seem to have taken it out and I didn't replace it. So first we're going to Officeworks, then we're heading straight to the airport. It is raining out. You don't mind if we stop at Officeworks? we are here at the airport. Next stop, Melbourne. Make an effort to get this footage, so make sure you like it and subscribe. Okay. Alright, got my boarding pass, all good, sitting on the window, emergency exit. Don't you just love airports? You know, I'm really thinking about going on a bit of a holiday after this. Maybe on Thursday. Fly to Asia. Oh, that sounds good. Sit around hotel pools. Man, it's freezing out here today. A vest on. What do you reckon? Should I go to Asia? A river roll and a vanilla Coke.
Welcome on board, Thomas and Everett.
Go hire this car, drive 350 kilometers, find a hotel, and get to work by 7:30. Welcome to Melbourne, Australia. This is not a scary movie. Well, I hope not. Anyway, I got the hire car. Got some supplies right here. Got me a Red Bull for the trip. Did I tell you? I didn't get no Hyundai. I got me a Mustang to get up there. We got time to make up. We got flights delayed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, so we got our car hired and I didn't get any normal car. I needed something to make up the time because we got 300 kilometers to drive. We got a hotel to book. We got work to be at tomorrow morning. It's too bad I'm by myself, man. Anyway, I am gonna enjoy my little trip in Victoria. So where I'm going is Wodonga. It is right on the border of Victoria and New South Wales. I bring my drone. We're going to be flying up. We're going to be flying over Victoria, New South Wales. We're going to be doing all of that. And we're also going to be working. Well, I'm not going to be working. I'm going to be filming. I'm going to be learning. I'm going to be learning from this guy. Enough talking. I better hit the road. And I'll talk to you. I'll check in soon, all right? Back on the Hume Highway. We got some serious ground to make up. I haven't booked a hotel yet. I haven't done anything.
Proceed on Hume Freeway.
But we're gonna get up there. I'm gonna see where the job is tomorrow, and we're not gonna be late. We're about 2 hours and 39 minutes out, 275 kilometers. We haven't got a hotel yet. By the time I get up there, everything's probably gonna be shut. But you can always sleep in the boot of this Mustang. Captain's log. I made it here. The New South Wales Victoria border at a place called Wodonga, Albury. Wodonga or Albury, whatever. Pretty tired. The time is 3:30. I have to be back on the road at 6. No motels would answer their phones. Anyway, it's a bit of a waste of money anyway. I'm paying $100 just to sleep a few hours, so I'm going to crash it out here and wake up and drive to work. So I will see you in the morning. Peace. Should have got a Kia Rio. Oh. But it's alright. It would have been worth it. Take 3. Where am I? Who am I? Oh man. I should have got a Kia Sorento. Damn. Get up. Go to work, boy. Get up and go to work. You gonna pick a place to sleep? Well, you gonna pick a place to sleep? Don't park across the street from a friggin' truck depot. You bloody lunatic. That's the most stupidest thing I think I'd ever heard. Because when you wake up in the morning, you got a sore neck, all the trucks gone, and you the only one left in the lot. Oh, we gonna get up. We gotta get up. Nah, that was a joke. In fact, I didn't sleep for shit. God damn it. God damn. What you looking at? Can't you see I'm shooting a vlog? Click, click. Cue sound effects. Click, click. Alright, I'm up. I'm ready. Been wearing the same clothes, but nobody else knows that. Not until these vlogs are out. Anyway, I'm gonna roll around the front and find a toilet. Sea bass. You in here, sea bass? Sea bass. Sea bass? Alright, I got about 20 minutes to travel, 30 minutes to get to work. Just going to the banks to get some cash out. This is central Wodonga, which is 3 hours out from Melbourne. Jump back into my hotel. All right, let's roll the work.
By the British government's partners in government, the
We are here.
Democratic Unionist Party. So what's the alternative? Well, in the past few weeks, some plans have been taking shape that could potentially
the greenest
mean that
grass
the
I've
whole
ever
of
seen out
UK,
here.
Great Britain and Northern Ireland remains within a customs union or
There's a
and
dairy
single
farm down the
market
street.
with the EU
Cows
for
everywhere.
a temporary period of time, 1, 2, 3
And we're
years.
just finding a
That
job
is
site.
unclear. The problem is for Theresa
don't
May,
think I
how
can
does
film
she
out the front.
share that vision with hardline Brexiteers
And
back here in the
the
UK
time
that want a clean break
is
from Brussels?
7:28.
She knows that there's talk of rebellion within her ranks.
So I'm
Her
2
plan
minutes early.
needs to be
7:29.
watertight.
That's Al Jazeera's Neve Barker
Mate,
speaking
that
to
is
Elizabeth
timing.
Barnum. Let's find out what's happening traffic-wise around the country now. We'll go to Laura Antoniazzi from the Australian Traffic Network. Hello, Laura.
Good morning. In Brisbane, an accident in Greenslope inbound on the Pacific Motorway at Juliet Street.
Oh, we ain't in
Traffic
Brisbane no
lights are
more.
flashing yellow in
Alright
between
guys,
Dorcas Street
I'm
and
about to
Iraq
rock
Road.
up to this
In
job.
Adelaide,
I think
there's
that's
already
about
windy
it.
roads due to last night's storm, particularly around Maxkil, so look out there.
7:29.
Also wet, so dry to the conditions.
We are on time at 7:30. Let's roll up now. We don't want to be a minute late. Check it out tomorrow. We're going to get into some work. And it's time to get serious. I'm not going to goose around. These are going to be serious videos. Serious tool reviews. Serious pros. And I'm going to learn something. And hopefully you're going to learn something too. Alright. Thank you very much. And I will see you tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe and like. Cheers guys. Bye.